Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have in my hands is the Gerber Multitool. This has come in handy so many times. Let me show you all of the tools that it comes with. Have your pliers right here at the top, and some of my favorite tools that have come in handy over the years are these really awesome scissors. They're small, but they get the job done. I also really like that it has a knife on it. It also has a serrated blade here. And how many times have you needed to change your kids' batteries and you're looking for a screwdriver, whether it be flathead, and it's so hard to find? So I keep this inside and I always have my screwdrivers right here. It has a file, it has so many useful items, and what I really like is that it collapses really well. Within just a few seconds, this multi-tool totally collapses down. It does have some safeties right here to unlock the blades. That way when you're using them, they are locked. And then it goes right back down into your pliers, and then you squeeze the sides and the pliers go down as well. Overall, I highly recommend this. If you're a busy mom, you're a construction worker, or you just want to have this in your car, this will come in handy, and there are so many situations that this can be a very useful tool, and that's my point of view.